Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Barbara Delmonica, and today we are tackling a curly girl question that has been burning in the hearts of curly girls everywhere. Is expensive shampoo really worth it? We've all seen those fancy bottles at the salon or even drugstore these days. Like, you can walk into literally any CVS and they have that whole like salon grade area where the shampoos are $20 to $30 versus the drugstore area where the shampoos are like $2 to $7. And we're always like, is it worth it? The bottle looks nice. What's the difference? And these bottles look so promising. They look like it's something that an expert hairstylist would wear. The bottles look pretty in your shower, but is it more than just buying a fancy bottle? Well, buckle up, because I am putting a shampoo to the test that definitely fits this bill. The shampoo in question is $44, which is not cheap. It's an all-natural wonder, and it claims to transform your hair. So in today's video, we are reviewing and chatting about the SIMI Organic R3 Shampoo. This retails at $44, which isn't the most expensive shampoo I've ever seen, but it is definitely within the top few. Packaging wise, it definitely has a very nice feel to it because it is a nice package. It's all clean looking, it'll look good in a shower, but does the actual product inside really work? And how on earth can they get away with charging that price point? The results better be great. The ingredients better be great. The product better be great. And if it's great and it really does solve all of our problems, it's completely worth it. The Simis Organics R3 Shampoo is actually inside of Curls Monthly this month. So if you're a Curls Monthly subscriber, hello, an extra warm welcome to you. Please say hi below in the comments. If you're not a Curls Monthly subscriber, Curls Monthly is my curly hair subscription service. Each month I send you 5+ of the best curly hair products to try out, so you can try them before you commit to buying the full size. And it's just a really great way to try things of all different price points, brands, sizes, etc., etc. So I'll definitely make sure to put that link below if you're interested in subscribing. Size that you get in this month's Curls Monthly is this big. It's a pretty great size. You might find that when you get it in Curls Monthly, the ingredients are a little bit separated. That's because it's an all-natural shampoo. All you have to do is shake it, and then the ingredients are all combined, and then you can pour it into your hand. Now, I am going to use this shampoo for the first time with you. But before we do that, let's talk about what on paper makes this shampoo so special. Unlike most drugstore brands, or honestly, really most any brand for that matter, this is actually formulated with 100% natural ingredients, not 97%, 100%. We're talking botanical extracts, essential oils, and everything your granola grandma would approve of. No harsh chemicals, parabens, sulfates in sight. This is going to be especially important for those of us with health concerns or those of us with color-treated hair. Sometimes those really heavily chemical shampoos can take your color away or make your scalp irritated depending on your issues. So let's go through these ingredients. So up first we have cocoa glucoside. That is a type of cleansing agent that's derived from coconut oil, and it's going to give you a gentle scalp and hair cleanse. Then we have cocamidopropyl betaine. It's going to hydrate your hair. It's also going to reduce your frizz. Then we have dectoglucoside and sodium lauryl lactate. Those again are types of surfactants, meaning they're ingredients that are going to cleanse your hair. If you're not familiar with what surfactants are, I'm going to link a video here that talks all about the ins and outs of surfactants. Basically, they're ingredients that cleanse your hair. So if you like to know more information about that, if you're a little bit more of that analytical type of person, that's gonna be a really good video for you to watch. Next up, we have bamboo extract. That's going to promote hair growth. Then we have willow bark extract that exfoliates, treats your dandruff. Hydrolyzed lupine protein is the next ingredient. So this bottle does have protein in it. Protein is basically a group of ingredients that helps strengthen your hair. So that is an ingredient that's going to help strengthen your hair strands. Then we have oatmeal, like literally it says oatmeal, and that's going to really boost your hair moisture. If you think about like oat milk, that type of a thing, it's going to just really help your hair stay moisturized, soft, things like that. Then we have honey, another great moisturizing agent. Quinoa hydrolysate, which is a protein. Meadowfoam seed oil, which is going to really help moisturize your hair. hydrolyzed silk, which is another protein, argan oil, a really great moisturizing ingredient. So all that being said, what can we expect from this natural product? You can expect a clean scalp, it to help your hair grow because some of those hair growth ingredients are inside, and to give you a gentle cleanse. It's not going to be too harsh of a cleanse, but it's also not going to be too gentle, so it's kind of like that right there in the middle cleanse. So let's hop in the shower and see what we think. Okay, so my hair is soaking wet, which is actually something that a lot of people miss doing. Sounds like you should know to do that before you put shampoo in, but you'd be surprised at how many of you, potentially even you, do not actually fully wet their hair before they're putting shampoo in. So please do that. It's so easy. So let's try it. You are supposed to shake this before you use it. Because it's an all natural product, it doesn't have any types of ingredients in there that like mesh oil and water together. So it does separate. So it's 100% important and necessary that you shake it. Okay, let's go. Whoa. I was not expecting this creamy consistency. What? Like, I was not expecting that at all. It's so like, I've never felt a shampoo like this in my life. I really am not saying that. Okay, not just saying that. All right, so I always just slop it on my scalp and then I'll massage my scalp area. I'm not getting a lather, but a lot of times I won't get a lather on my first shampoo. So I'm wondering when I rinse it out and shampoo again, how much of a lather I'll get. But I'll usually massage it into my scalp for about a minute. Smell-wise, it has a very gentle smell. It doesn't have any added fragrances. So whatever I'm smelling is just what it smells like. And basically it just smells like a very, very, very light smell of like soap. Like think about like unscented Dove soap is kind of what it smells like. So just massaging it in. A lot of times your hair will not lather on the first go through because the first shampoo is just trying to get off like the dirt and the oils. And then when you go in for the second shampoo, it actually cleanses your hair, which is why it's so important to shampoo twice. Okay, I'm gonna rinse that out and we'll shampoo again. I must say it feels really soft being rinsed out. Like it doesn't have that squeaky clean feeling. Let's go in again. I hope you can really see just like how luxurious this is. This is so nice. I really have never felt anything like that. Okay, just patting it on my head and then going in again. Now here's the test. Do we get a lather? I definitely feel like I feel more of a lather. Can you see a lather? Mm-hmm. Great, there's more of a lather there. This feels really nice on my hair. It's a nice in the middle cleanse. Like it's getting that off, but it's not going to leave my hair completely lifeless afterwards, which you never know. You never know with a shampoo. And there's a time and place. There's a time and place for that type of a shampoo. But when you want that moisture in your hair, this is more so what you're going for. I'm going to take a little bit more. Like that is one thing I have to say. I feel like I do have to use quite a bit to get that really good lather. But it does feel really like rich and luxurious. My scalp feels great. Let me rinse it one more time. Okay, truly my hair feels like fantastic. And that's saying a lot because I have very dry hair and there's protein in this, which I didn't really think was going to turn out very well, but like, I really am not kidding. It feels really smooth. Like, I'm gonna use conditioner, but like, I feel like I could get away with not, like I'm going to, but yeah, I'm impressed. I like it. I like it. So after blow drying and styling my hair, what's the verdict? I have to say, I'm impressed. My hair is definitely shinier and it's like noticeably bouncy. The frizz is super under control and it just looks like lifelike. Now, this shampoo is not going to magically transform your hair into Rapunzel's hair overnight. But for someone who is looking for an all natural, gentle, fragrance-free, protein-containing shampoo, this is really it. My hair feels healthier overall. The all natural ingredients give me peace of mind, but is the $44 price tag worth it? That's the question of this video. And honestly, I would say yes, but it depends on your hair goals and budget. If you're looking for a luxury shampoo, if you're looking for all natural, if you're looking for like a reliable brand, then yes, this is 100% for you. It might be an investment worth making. But if you're on a tight budget, of course, this might not be the shampoo you want to use, because I did have to use a little bit more than normal, I think, to get that nice lather. So the key takeaway here is to do your research to find the best shampoo for you. But if you're curious about more natural options, I definitely recommend giving this one a try. Let me know in the comments what natural shampoos you have tried and can recommend, and I'll see you next time.